Hey guys, this is Mike with Old Iron. Here's the next project. Found it online and just kind of pushed that button and I ended up getting it. I got it right. It's a 64 Dodge Dart. It's a V8 car and it was last tagged in 1990. So we're looking at what, 30 years? We're gonna see if we can get it started. I'll do a quick walk around and I'll show you what I've done so far and then we'll get to work, man. Two-door, it's a 270, it's not a GT. All the missing chrome is in the trunk, or stainless. Not sure what we're doing with it yet. We've got a little bit of work in the quarters to do, lower quarters. Besides that, I mean, I picked this thing up in Valparaiso, Indiana, which is northern part of Indiana. It originally is titled and the plates came from Tennessee. So I don't know how long up north it was, but it's actually surprisingly solid. Floors are solid, frame solid. Just a little bit on the spare tire well, and a little bit on the lower rear quarters. Rockers are all solid. Bottoms of the doors are solid. Got some bondage in this fender. I'm going to be looking for at least one fender for it. I'd like to get a set. And tail lights and headlight rings is the main thing. I've got the headlight rings, but they're just beat to crap, man. I don't think I can straighten them out. I'm going to try, but I don't think I can. It's got 273 in it. And it was a little sticky when we first got it. I thought it was froze up. And yesterday I pulled all the plugs. I soaked them down with penetrating oil. Soaked down all the cylinders, let it sit for a little bit, and I played with it and it freed right up. So I charged the battery, take the bare spots in the positive cable. Rest of the wiring looks good except for the battery cables are dry rotted or corrupt, you know, the casing is. So I want to tape that up to make sure that, you know, the positive didn't ground out. And I'm going to try to crank it in a little bit. I'm going to hook up the battery, make sure I got power coming to the motor and my coil, and see if I can tap the starter. And if I can do that, then we'll push a little farther and see if we can actually get it to fire. But I figure that's the first step. So we'll see in a little bit. It's beautiful day out here, so I figured I'd try to get some work done. And you can see both the fenders. This one's not as bad. It has a little bit of Mondo up in here, and a little bit of rust here. Both the doors are solid. Like I said, the quarters aren't bad. They're there, but they need work. Yeah, bottom on the one side and the back needs to be replaced. But we'll get it going, then we'll figure out what we're going to do with it. Alright guys, got the battery hooked up. We're going to see if we've got some power. I'll give you a shot of this beautiful interior too. He's rough. Let's see if we got power up into here. We got power. See if she'll crank. Nope, not yet. Let's check the connections. I just got them pressed down here anyway, so. Yeah, they're loose. Maybe someday I'll have a camera guy. It sounds like it's starter stuck. I swear I cheated before I started the camera. I had it hooked up and I cranked it. But we'll figure out what's going on, and we're gonna get this puppy going. All right, give it a try.